is Rebecca with Air Power Manufacturing Solutions, and we're here with a special edition of Air Power Live. We're going to talk safety today with Ed from Dynabrade. Ed, what do you have for us?
Well, what I have for us today is one of our newer abrasives. The abrasive, the maximum, one thing you want to look for, Rebecca, the maximum MOS, maximum operating speed, has to be higher than what the tool was rated for to run at RPM. For example, this maximum operating speed for this abrasive here is 12,200. So now, what does that tell you that the tool should be rated for?
Lower than that.
Exactly. This tool is rated at 12,000 RPM. So that's pretty much it. You want to make sure that you don't have an abrasive that's rated lower, or else you can have an accident. The abrasive could split, could tear, someone can get hurt, and that's what we're trying to eliminate here.
All right. Well, we always try to keep safety first here with Air Power and our customers, and we appreciate your time, Ed.
Thank you. Anyone have any questions, please give us a call.